Hello friends, I am Mamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell about Inter First Year Maths 1B 4 marks important questions 2021 IP. This is very important. Friends, in this Inter First Year Maths 1B, what kind of questions can we expect? That is going to be the 4 marks important questions for the year 2021 intermediate public exams. My dear friends, I suggest only one thing. I say only one thing, friends. Just go on. Try to practice the getting of a success in maths paper. In mathematics 1B paper, the only one solution that I want to say is go on practicing. It is one of the important. Let us expect locus, differential equation, straight lines, transformation of axis. In this we will consider the straight lines. I request all the students to watch the video completely. And the differentiation, very important, friends. Differentiation, very important concept in intermediate first year maths 1P paper 1. It's going to be 4 marks important questions. Differentiation, for example, what is d by dx of x? Can you tell what is d by dx of x? That means differentiation with respect to x is nothing but 1. What is d by dx of 2x? Is nothing but 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. What is d by dx of x square plus 2x? That's going to be d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 2x. d by dx of x square is, what is d by dx of n, sir? d by dx of x power n, nx power n minus 1. Then what is d by dx of x square? 2x power 2 minus 1 plus 2 into d by dx of x. That's going to be 2x plus 2 into 1. That's going to be 2x plus 2. In this 2x plus 2, what is the common? 2 into x plus 1. That's it. The differentiation is very important concept. I suggest all the students to concentrate the previous model exam papers. If you are getting a confusion regarding what kind of questions you need to prepare regarding the 4 marks of marks 1B, max 1B, just go to the previous model exam papers. You can get an idea of what kind of questions you need to prepare exactly. And always try to concentrate on most important the chapter in which you are well perfect first. In which you are well perfect, if you concentrate more, you can easily do these questions very easily. The differentiation, the transformation of axis as well as the locus, I suggest all the students refer the previous model exam papers. You can get an idea what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations. So finally, just revise and practice maths. Practice is the only solution to get success in the public exam. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. Thank you so much.